Take a deep breath at Karuizawa, Japan. Of course, you can relax deeply at B&B Hotel Hyochoan at Karuizawa. To get to Karuizawa, you take the train from Tokyo International Airport to Tokyo Station, transfer to the Hokuriku Shinkansen and get off at Karuizawa Station, which is about an hour away. From there, you can take the free shuttle owned by B&B Hotel Hyochoan. The free pickup shuttle operates from 4 p.m. to 11 p.m. Our shuttle service is suspended between noon and 4 o'clock due to the guest room cleaning. You can use the coin locker at Karuizawa Station. In addition, if you use a rental bicycle, you can receive a luggage storage service at the rental bicycle shop. Luggage storage is free at CycleMate Q, one of the rental bicycle shops. Our shuttle services are not pre-booked and operate upon request of individual customers. Customers are advised to contact the hotel via WhatsApp, WeChat, Line, or KakaoTalk. Our hotel's ID of each messaging app of us is Hyochoan. Our hotel's ID is the spelling of our hotel's name in Roman letters. After checkout, we will provide a free shuttle service to Karuizawa Station. It is 650 meters on foot to Karuizawa Wild Bird Forest from our hotel. The Sezone Museum is 700 meters away on foot from our hotel. It is 850 meters on foot from our hotel to the Sanman restaurant. Hoshino Onsen Tombo no Yu is 850 meters away on foot from our hotel. Karuizawa Kogen Church and Stone Church is 1,200 meters on foot from our hotel. The Haraniri Terrace is 1,200 meters away on foot from our hotel. The Haraniri Terrace has soba, French, Italian, bakery, curry, Chinese and other restaurants, and Maruyama coffee. Our hotel offers a free pickup service to a Japanese restaurant, a yakiniku restaurant, and izakayas, as well as hot springs and the Haraniri Terrace. After checkout, we will provide a free shuttle service to Karuizawa Station, and if road and any other conditions allow, we will provide a service to Karuizawa Station via Shiraido Falls. Our hotel has 4 guest rooms, all twin rooms. There are 1 superior twin room and 3 standard twin rooms. Our hotel can accommodate up to 8 adults. By adding an extra bed, 3 adults can stay in 1 superior room and 2 twin rooms. The extra charge for the 3rd adult is 4,000 yen per night including breakfast and tax. With this method, the maximum capacity of adults is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 equals 11 adults. Online booking for the extra bed is possible only for our hotel's web direct booking system. If you stay more than 2 nights and there is no sheet change, the hotel will discount you 500 yen per bed. Even in this case, our hotel will change your towels and yukata, a daily children 12 and under stay with their parents free of charge and no meals for children. The extra cost for an extra bed is 2,500 yen per night. Tax included. The extra cost for breakfast is 1,500 yen per meal. Tax included. Drone aerial photography shows that you can relax both physically and mentally by staying in our hotel surrounded by the abundant, natural environment. First of all, we are waiting for you to make a booking at B&B Hotel Hyochoan. The hotel's website is https://www.japan.com/ if you subscribe to this YouTube video channel and press the like button. We are very pleased because it encourages us to improve our hospitality. When you stay at our hotel, we should welcome you with welcome drink service.